Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily hide your friends list on Facebook. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's start. First open your Play Store or App Store, doesn't matter. Just make sure we have the Facebook app updated to the latest version, just like that. Or at least have one of the newer versions to ensure everything works smoothly. After that, let's quit the store and open the Facebook app. Of course, you have to be logged into your account and you will have to have some friends in order for us to be able to hide that list. Anyways, let's go ahead and first tap on the three lines in the top right corner, just like that. Now from here, tap on settings and privacy. Yep, that one under help and support, and then this menu will extend. Tap on settings. That should be right under settings and privacy once you tap on it. Right here we are on settings. What you need to do now is to scroll down until you find something that says how can people find you and contact you, how people find and contact you. You can find it there, or you can just tap on the search bar in the top if you have a hard time finding it like that, and search for something like how people, and you'll find it in the top. Go ahead and tap on it. And right here you'll find many options and basically things you can tweak around to change your privacy. The one we're aiming at is the friends list, so tap on who can see your friends list. Tap on it like that. Here you go, you have basically four options: public, so everyone can see it; friends, close friends, and only me. If you want no one to be able to see it but you, just keep only me selected. If you want some friends to be able to see it, select them in close friends. If you want all of your friends to be able to see your friends list, select friends. Anyways, if you want to hide it, like why you entered this video, just keep it selected on only me and then tap on save in the bottom. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos, and thank you so much for watching.